Hi students, welcome back. Now let's create a virtual environment for our project. For that we have to open CMD and we have to write Python, Python Python. Now we go to that Python 3.8.8. Now we have to check also if we have installed successfully pip or not. Pip is basically a package manager which we use to install or import the libraries. So let's type pip and press enter. If you get the result like that I got, then you have successfully installed pip as well. Now we are ready to create a virtual environment. But now let's see why we are creating a virtual environment. Virtual environment is very important in building up our project. Like why? The answer is that like you are building or you are working on two different projects, and one of your project like need a library with the older version, and your other project need a library with the newer version. So if you are importing or installing a library on a single space or a one place, then there must be a large possibility that one of your library in other project will not work. So in order to avoid that problem, we have to create a virtual environment. In that case, the if you like import a library in a virtual environment, then this one library will only for that project only. It will not mess up the other project. So that's why we usually create a virtual environment. So I'm gonna create a virtual environment using Anaconda and Navigator. We have to type Anaconda and open up Anaconda and Navigator. It will take some time to open up. Once the Anaconda Navigator is open, you can see that on the left hand side the environment. Click on environment. Now to create an environment, click on create. Now I will like have to name the environment. I will name it AI. AI voice assistant.